हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय न्यू व्लॉग। Jan 6 हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे आप सभी को। रिपब्लिक डे पर लोंगडिंग डीसी नोरोक सर के द्वारा किस तरह से स्पीच किया है आप सभी को दिखाएंगे। आज सुबह का स्पीच आप सभी को दिखाते हैं। आप सभी इस वीडियो पर देख सकते हैं किस तरह से डीसी सर ने पूरा बहुत अच्छा से स्पीच किया है। तो आप सभी देख लीजिएगा। इस जो ग्राउंड में शामिल नहीं था, जो ग्राउंड में नहीं था, जो लाइव नहीं देख सका था, तो इस वीडियो के जरिए देख सकते हैं।
And contributing towards developing this beautiful district and the state as a whole. Under the guidance of efficient officers of health department, who have achieved major success in the health sector, that is in 14 non-functional health facilities due to non-availability of infrastructure are made functional since last 3 years. Operation Theatre, blood bank and emergency care center are functional in the district hospital Longding and running smoothly since last year. Institutional deliveries started almost in all health facilities of the district. Outreach sessions for immunization is going on every month in all the villages. Motorcycle vaccine van, which is an innovation of District Health Society, started delivery points to ensure that birth dose vaccines are not missed. Likewise, many more developmental activities have been taken up under the health sector, which cannot be mentioned here due to shortage of time. Government of India launched the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana under RWD in the year 25 December 2000 to provide all-weather and accessible road to unconnected habitations with a population of more than 500 and above. The state of Arunachal Pradesh has been allocated a total of 64 roads, which is 1375 in length under PMGSY. Out of that total 64 roads, Longding district have been allocated 15 roads. The PMGSY road under Longding have provided all-weather connectivity to far-flung villages of Longding district, which were earlier inaccessible. The PMGSY roads also an upgradation of our village rural roads. Arunachal Pradesh Atmanirbhar Krishi Yojana for the year 2024-25. A total of 768 individual farmers and self-help groups have availed the credit link scheme for implementing schemes like scientific land terracing, purchase of farm machineries, vegetable cultivation, and for cultivation of various other field crops. Under Atmanirbhar Plantation Scheme, an amount of rupees 240 lakhs was allotted for Longding district, and about 109 eligible farmers have been selected for tea, coffee, rubber plantation schemes. Under submission on agriculture mechanism, an amount of rupees 21.92 lakhs was sanctioned for Longding district, and about 91 beneficiaries of the district were benefited with inputs like one tractor, 12 power tiller, grass cutter, garden hand tools, power operated and manual operated sprayer on subsidized rate. The Department of Rural Development under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin Flexi program have been constructed 1,042 houses out of which 1,000 sanctioned houses during the year 2023-24 and 24-25, benefiting the BPL families of various villages under 5 CD blocks, that is Neusa, Pongsa, Wakka, Kanubari and Launu. Upgradation work of BKB Neusa, consisting of double-storied classroom, 50-bedded hostel, staff quarters and dining hall has been completed as per specification at stipulated time. APEDA has installed solar streets in every corner of Longding district, including Longding town under RIDF and SIDF fund, and also 3 numbers of solar high mast lights has been installed in the Longding township. The government of Arunachal Pradesh has launched a new program called Catch Them Young during financial year 2024-25 with an objective to provide comprehensive skill training to unemployed educated youth in animal husbandry and dairy development, and to facilitate access to financial and technical support for the trained youth for setting up of their own agri-based business by enhancing the participants' practical knowledge and hands-on skills. Total of 6 unemployed educated youth of Longding district will be selected under the said program. Free vaccination of livestock for foot and mouth disease and brucellosis are being carried out by department under the CSS National Animal Disease Control Program with an objective to control foot and mouth disease by 2025 with vaccination and its eventual eradication by 2030. Department of Union Housing also doing outstanding work for overall development of township areas of Longding district. Under the department's initiative, a vendor market set at Longding town in heart of Longding township area has been completed before the stipulated date, and all the street vendor has been shifted from parking lot and footpath area of the market to that location. Under PM Swanidhi, 100% disbursement of loan of rupees 10,000 to each beneficiary under phase 1 has been achieved. Under Pradhan Mantri Gram Awas Yojana Urban, after 100% completion of phase 1 and phase 2, receipt of new application completed and online documentation verification of beneficiary on process for Longding and Kanubari town for phase 3. Under education sector, since education is the foundation of and backbone of society, as it plays a major role in developing of the society, and education department of Longding district is doing a praiseworthy work and encouraging the younger generation to have the sense of competitiveness and reform the educational scenario of the district. PM3 is a centrally sponsored scheme initiated by the Government of India, under which every student feels welcomed and cared for, where a safe and stimulating learning environment exists. Under PM3 Model School Scheme, construction of new building in Government Higher Secondary School Longding and GSS Pongchau has already been sanctioned and construction is underway. Hopefully the building will be ready by June 2025. The Department of Women and Child Development is one of the most important departments working under grassroots level of the society. the department under ICDS project through the large network of 256 Anganwadi centers in Longding district is providing supplementary nutrition, immunization, health checkup, referral services, nutrition, health education and free school education. Many social security schemes are also being implemented by the department in the district. Under Indira Gandhi National Old Age Pension, during financial year 2024-25, an amount of rupees 3,24,16,000 only was released, out of which a total of 2,078 beneficiaries were covered through DBT mode. Under Indira Gandhi National Widow Pension Scheme, during the financial year 24-25, an amount of rupees 88,74,000 only was released, out of which 435 beneficiaries were covered through DBT mode. Likewise, all other departments are also doing their respective assigned duties and various schemes of central and state government. And all the brothers and sisters of Longding district, let us all pray for a very healthy and prosperous New Year 2025. Jai Hind, Jai Arunachal.
Thank you so much, Honorable Chief Guest, Deputy Commissioner Sir, for your insightful speech.